This is what we're calling an Easter egg hunt. Guns are staggered out there, wherever. They're going to be all over the map. Now in particular, everybody's starting over here. Everybody ready?
Yeah, everyone's ready.
3, 2, 1, go! Everyone's looking for guns and looking for guns like a bunch of idiots.
I need an adult.
Eugene. There's Chris. Oh shit, we got our first one. There's our 203. See who picks it. Oh, Chris has got a gun. Chris has got a gun. We got Andy. We got Chris. The first two with guns. Everybody else is still searching.
Yes, you're going down, baby.
Everyone's still looking. See, he walked right past his. His is on this tree right here. Oh, Avery's got a gun. We got Avery. We got Andy. Back behind me. Oh, I hear more fire. Oh, there's Chris has got a gun. Chris is out. Oh, Jonathan's got a gun. Oh, and he just got Avery out. We got Jonathan with a gun. Richards doesn't know it, but his is wide open right over there. Wes is right next to his. It's in this little tube right ahead. We got Eugene, who is slowly but surely walking toward his gun. He doesn't realize it. Oh, there we go. Richard's got his gun. Eugene has walked. There you go. Eugene's got his gun. Wes. Wes is about to have a gun in about half a second. Gotta pick it up. Pick it up and move. Oh shoot, we got a grenade from back here. Oh, I think we have two cheaters. No teams. You just walked past each other.
We're too close. We're too close.
Now you're not.
Hit. That was too close to the sweet spot.
Jonathan is dead. It's just Eugene. Actually, Eugene's it. Hey Eugene, come out here and do your happy dance.
What?
Come out and do a happy dance. You just won.
No, I knew where mine was. It was just, there was 3 guns right close.